Give yourself an energy cleanse right now through this empowerment. Just as you bathe or clean your home, you need to cleanse your energy regularly to eliminate and repel all types of draining energy. Let's strengthen your body, mind, and spirit. We strengthen your core to accept, acknowledge, and embrace this empowerment. Empower your micro and macro body to receive, store, and use this new information. Strengthen each quantum particle, atom, molecule, and cell to release, erase, free, forgive, protect, and forget. All will cleanse and remove. We fortify tissues, organs, systems, and structures to expel energy waste, parasites, and entities from all dimensions and forms. Let's connect the lower brain with the upper brain and the upper brain with the lower brain, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, at 100% infinite potential all the time. We'll strengthen electrons, protons, and neutrons for center, balance, and stability. We boost your quantum particles' speed, making them strong enough to go above light speed, below light speed, and at light speed. We'll remove resistance to losing, letting go, releasing, transforming, and changing physically, energetically, and mentally. We'll increase the speed of your energy, frequency, and vibration. We clear dense energy, worry, judgment, doubt, sadness, anger, grudges, and hurt. We strengthen your electromagnetism to attract and resonate with high frequencies, light beings, and universal consciousness. I'll disconnect and free you from the draining energy of collective creation, cultural, family, ancestral, and social influences from this life and others. I'll separate you from collective energies tied to your gender, sexual preferences, and struggles between gender ideologies. I'll erase the effects of living with and attracting low vibrations from collective spaces and physical surroundings. I'm removing all empathic resonance with suffering, lack, limitation, poverty, and pain. I'm eliminating all loyalties, pacts, and agreements with low vibration beings in this life and others, yours and your ancestors. I'll remove the low vibration energy from objects that weaken you from above. Down, up, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll fill objects and spaces with neutral energy at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We empower objects and spaces to radiate empowering, neutral, and abundant energy in all aspects. We'll remove weakening energy you've resonated with from family, friends, colleagues, neighbors, and others you often see. We're removing debilitating energy. debilitating intentions, emotions, and thoughts from others to you and vice versa. Will remove energy implants, weakening your chakras, nervous system, and physical potential. Will deactivate and send them to other universes, dimensions, time, space, and unknown places. Will remove the energy of attached spirits with whom you have karmic debts. We strengthen your energy to release, forgive, and forget unresolved spiritual experiences. Will remove traces and impressions from your physical, mental, and emotional bodies, your astral, celestial, etheric, and causal bodies from all dense frequencies and vibrations. We send this to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes, wormholes, and unknown realms. Let's strengthen your etheric center, celestial center, and etheric pattern. We fortify your energy field to expand, enhancing internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices for protection against weakening energies. We'll strengthen your energy field to merge with other empowering, strengthening, and neutral fields. Will remove thoughts, emotions, feelings, and behaviors that attract low vibration energy from this and other planes of existence. Let's eliminate all aura imperfections, cracks, weaknesses, holes, tears, to absolute zero, permanently and infinitely. Will strengthen your aura, sealing it into a powerful, unbreakable energy shield with infinite potential always. Now we'll resolve conflicts and integrate with other dimensions, universes, and cosmic scales. We'll erase all weaknesses, individual and combined, reducing them to absolute zero, permanently and infinitely. We'll align with other dimensions and cosmic scales, ensuring everything is centered, balanced, and stable. Let's strengthen your mind, body, and spirit, enveloping you in a sphere of tachyons and superluminal energy. From all directions, 100% with infinite potential all the time. We'll empower you to see, feel, speak, and act. Equal yet different, changing yet constant, perceiving yet not. Strengthening you for all that's positive, negative, and neutral. Empowering you to be mindless, spiritless, and empty. Will fortify your internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices, along with their interactions at 100% potential infinitely. Will remove all that hinders, limits, or blocks you, freeing you from dense energy. We erase everything once more. We send it across universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, cosmic wormholes and beyond. At 100% potential, infinitely, all the time, for eternity. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. You feel neither the same nor different.